Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we are gonna configure the startup and homepage for Google Chrome. I saw some messages, some comments on the Microsoft Edge video asking, oh man, how can I do the same for Google Chrome? These steps are pretty much the same thing. You just have to select Google Chrome in the configuration. So let's do this together. So I'm gonna open Microsoft Edge here, Intune. Then I go to devices. Then I go to Windows, configuration, and I have my Microsoft Edge here. So, but first let me just show the Google Chrome stuff here. So let's open Google Chrome. You see nothing when I open the browser. So if I go, I don't have the home button here. So if I go to settings and on startup, I have nothing here. So if I type home, it's not configured. The home button, we don't have any kind of a configuration here. So let's do this together. So first we are gonna create a new policy. Then we select Windows 10 and later, settings, catalog. Then we create. So this is related to Google Chrome. So then I will put Google Chrome start the home page. Then I do this and I will put my website just as a description if some other Intune admin check this. Oh, well, what is this about? So yeah, about this website. So then we add settings. Then we look for Google. Yeah, we will use this option because if we use this thing here, it's just stating here that users can override this. So we're gonna use this. And then we go to a startup, home page, a new tab page. Okay, so first of all I have to select this. Also, of course, the home page. Show, yeah, this one as well. Show home page button on toolbar. This one as well. And what else? I think we are good to go. If not, we just open this thing again. Oh, yeah, and of course this thing here. So let's go to the Intune again, to the configuration. Then, okay, URLs to open on startup. Then we add, and then you put whatever you want here. Use new tab as homepage. We will keep this disabled. Okay, I want a home button toolbar. Okay, let's configure the home page again. I will put the same website. And action on startup, we will enable this. And here we are gonna use this option. So let me just make sure that we have everything. So we have the action startup enabled. Cool. Action on startup device, open a list of URLs. The one we are putting here. This is also enabled. Use new tab page as home page. We will keep this disabled. Show home button, yeah, enabled. And then here we configure the home page URL. So we will just keep as it is. Then I go next. I will deploy to all devices. Yes, let's refresh. Okay, now we have the Google Chrome policy here. And I go back to my VM. I open settings, accounts, access workers, cool, this one, info, and then I sync. Let's see how long it will take to get the policy. Yeah, not yet. Let's wait for the synchronization. I know that the channel is not the biggest one. We're a very small channel, but maybe if you guys have some ideas on videos that we should try to record, I think we can make it. Like, oh man, maybe create a video like showing how to configure the printer, or how to map the file server stuff, network path. Yeah, this kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm open to try to test together with you guys. So let's see if we already have the policy. Not yet. Then let me sync again. Because this should change automatically. Yeah, and of course you guys can suggest like some ideas, like, oh, how can I configure this OneDrive known folders? Once you configure this, the file, oh, see, we already have this. Once you configure this OneDrive known folders, the files the user saves and the documents and desktop stuff, it's going to OneDrive. So yeah, maybe it's the next video. So okay, we have this page on startup. Let me see if we have the home page. Oh, as we can see, we already have the home button here. If I click, I go to the website I put there. If I click here, it should just open in the tab. Let me close. Let me open again. Yes, this is the website. Here you can see some stuff. Not much, because it's just one guy doing his stuff. But yeah, then I open a new tab and I click on this home button. Yeah, looks good. So yeah, I think that's all. It's basically the same configuration we did for MicrosoftIT, but now for Google Chrome. It's pretty much the same thing. You can just open the add video and then do the same thing for Google Chrome. But yeah, it's another video for you guys. So thanks for watching and enjoy your day. Bye bye.